Welcome back to our cozy Christmas crafting corner. Today we are creating beautiful Xmas decoration using pine cones. One of the most charming gifts. Pinecone carries the warmth of winter, forest, and the magic of the holiday season. In today's video, we will how these simple natural treasures can turn into elegant ornaments, table centerpiece, wreath, and more. We will use recycled items, ribbons, cardboard, old fabrics, and leftover paint to make everything budget friendly and eco lovely. So, take a deep breath, feel the holiday spirits, and let's start crafting together. First, collect some beautiful pine cones from your garden, a nearby park, or even old decor from last year. Clean them gently with a brush to remove any dust or insects. If you want them to open beautifully, bake them for about 10 minutes at a low heat. This helps them dry and spread out naturally. Now you have your base materials rustic, light, and full of natural charm. Let's bring color to our pine cone using acrylic paint or spray paint in X-Mix shade. Gold, silver, red, and white. You can dip the tips of each pine cones into white paint to create a snow effect or dust them with glitter for a magical sparkle. For a softer, rustic look, try leaving some natural brown areas visible. It gives that cozy woodland feeling. Remember, crafting is art. There is no perfect way, just for way. Now let's turn them into ornaments. Tie a small ribbon or jute thread at the top to hang them on your Xmas tree. Add small beads, bells, or stickers for extra details. You can even use nail sticker or tinny. Each pine cone becomes a one of a kind ornaments, personal, handmade, and filled with heart. Let's create a warmth that welcome everyone with natural beauty. Take an old cardboard, ring, or metal frame. Glue your pine cones around in layers, big ones first, then smaller ones to fill the gap. Add bits of gold ribbon, fabric flower, or recycled X-Mix balls. As you wish, attach some fairy lights or spray a touch of snowy paint. Hang it on your door and it will greet guests with pure festive joy. Now let's design a cozy centerpiece for your table. Place a few pine cones on a wooden tray or recycled glass plate or tray. Add candles, cinnamon stick, and dried orange slices for a warm aroma. Wrap small fairy lights around them. When they glow, it feels like a peaceful winter evening in the forest. This decoration spreads calmness and comfort through your home. For a creative toys, make a mini X-Mix tree using pine cones. Take a large pine cone, paint it green and decorate it with beads or buttons as ornaments. Place it in a small recycle pot or jar filled with pebbles or sand for balance. Add a star on top, maybe from cardboard or glitter paper, and you have your mini tree ready. You can make several of these for window corners, shelves, or gifts. X-Mix doesn't always mean buying new. You can combine pine cone with old fabrics, ribbons, bottles, caps, or cardboard cutouts to make unique designs. Old jewelry pieces, buttons, or lace can turn your pinecone crafts into vintage art materials. That's the beauty of recycling. Crafting this way teaches patience, gratitude, and creativity. Wonderful lesson for the festive season. Now arrange all your pinecones crafts around your home. Hang the ornaments on the Xmas tree, place the warmth on your door, and Set the centerpiece on your dining table, and a few candles and fairy lights for a golden glow. Every time you see your handmade decorations, you will feel proud because you didn't just decorate, you created memories